You understand? Okay, who can translate? When I have a bàn thì dương hàng rồi học đọc. Then after this, okay. This one I nhớ đọc subject. Blue. Can you read it? Okay.
2006 family. He is my grandfather. She is my grandmother. He is my father.